Hello children, I'm going to tell you a poem about all kinds of boats. Boats in the water and boats in the sea. Boats float, generally. Big boats, small boats and boats just for one. Narrow boats, ferry boats and jet skis for fun. Boats that use engines and boats that use wind. Boats that you punt up the canal with a friend. Boats for sailing up rivers and streams. Boats for pleasure and yachts of your dreams. Speedboats, dinghies and team boats for rowing. Cruise ships for holidays and tugboats for towing. There are just so many kinds of boat. Do you have some in your bath that float? Boats in the water, boats in the sea. Boats float, generally.